All right, so I'm out here in the beautiful mountains of Costa Rica. Let you guys get a view there real quick. But yeah, so we're talking about leverage trading now. It is a very lucrative way to make money. There are big profits to be made, but it is definitely for someone who's looking to be a bit more of an active investor in cryptocurrency. I normally promote, investing for the long term, making more long-term investments, but this is for someone who's looking to be a bit more active in cryptocurrency. So what is leverage trading? Well, you're basically trading with borrowed money, right? So when you think the price is going to go up, you go into what's called a long position. And when you think the price is going to go down, you go into a short position. When you're in a short and the price goes down, you're in profit, you're making money. Same thing goes for if you're in a long. If the price is going up, you're in profit, you're making money. So let's say you're trading with 10x leverage, right? So you're basically trading with 10 times your initial capital. Or another way you could look at it is if you know that a certain cryptocurrency is going to go up 1%, right, and you're on 10x leverage, well, if it does go up 1%, now you're actually up 10% from your initial capital. Same thing goes if you're using, let's say, 15 or 20x leverage, right? Again, you're trading with 15 to 20 times the amount of your initial investment. You can go as low as, 1x leverage, which would be a straight up trade, 3x leverage, or all the way up to 125x leverage on many different exchanges. But anything over 75x leverage is very, very, very just not recommended, right? You don't want to be touching those 80, 90, 100x leverage levels because you could get liquidated very easily. So what is a liquidation? Well, when you go into a trade, let's say you're in a long trade, right? If you're 10x leverage and the price goes down enough to where you've lost the amount of your initial capital in any leverage trade, once it's gone the opposite direction of what you were expecting it to go and you've lost more than your initial capital, you get liquidated, which means you lose the entirety of your initial investment. So that's why it's definitely recommended to be using lower leverage for those who are newer to leverage trading, right? Once you're a bit more experienced, you can start dabbling with 10, 15, 20, 25, 30x leverage trades. So where do you go to do some leverage trading? Well, I personally use Binance Futures. I'll have a link to their website in the description below so you can go ahead and make an account with them. Binance Futures is great for trading plenty of different altcoins, different cryptocurrencies. But if you're looking to trade, the bigger ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bybit is a great exchange for leverage trading. Again, I'll have a link to Bybit in the description below. And you don't really want to be leverage trading with more than, let's say, 5-10% of your total portfolio because it's just not recommended, right? You want to be making the majority of your investments for the long term, and then you've got a little bit of a bag that you're playing around with in leverage trading. The best trade that I made this past week was a trade on Cardano ADA. I was up 62% on that trade. I made a 62% profit. But yes, so there are great times, there are great trades. It's a very lucrative, a lot of profits, a lot of money can be made. But at the same time, when you're on leverage, if it goes in the opposite direction of where you were expecting it to go, you're making that much greater of a loss. So you do need to keep that in mind. So you definitely need to know what it is that you're getting into. So if you think that leverage trading is right for you, you can sign up for one-on-one mentoring with me through the Patreon link in the description below. I'll be providing you with trade setups, take profit levels, stop losses. Basically, I'll be giving you guys my trades and my best tips and personal strategy to, one, never lose a trade, which is very, very important, especially in the beginning. You don't want to be losing capital. So my strategy on how to never lose a trade and how to be a consistently profitable trader to gradually increase your portfolio. Drop a like on the video if you haven't already. Subscribe if you want to see future content like this. You can find the link to my Instagram in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.